here's the final update on the 67 Charger. It is done, and it is heading down the road early tomorrow morning to go to Carlisle, Pennsylvania for a big Mopar show, and hopefully we sell it there. So, came out nice. It's not bad. So paint came out pretty good. It almost looks black sometimes, but if you get in the light you can see the green. But we're still missing a couple things. This C-trim for the front fender, hoping that we can get that in Carlisle. Maybe get it, you know, day one. And if not, if someone buys the car there, that's the perfect spot to find that piece. Top looks good. This is a rare car. It's a white hat special. So these vinyl tops were only in 67, and they were only for the second half of the year of production runs. So sales were really dying off on the Charger, so they dressed them up to make, you know, to try to improve sales. Just did a little video edit. I'm gonna cut this into the middle of the video. Just occurred to me that I don't know if I've ever had this thing running in any of the videos. Got some nice sound. So let's see what the inside looks like. You saw in my last video, I got the electroluminescence dash working. The interior is pretty good, clean. It's complete except for we are missing this part of the console. So once again, hopefully somebody will have one of those we can pick up. Looks pretty good. It's got a split in the back seat there. But that's it. I mean, that's the original seats, and they're in pretty good shape, except for just the one split. Let's see what she's got under the hood. It's got a 383. It's an AC car, and it will come with everything to make the AC work, but right now we have the condenser out of it, because seeing how we're not using the AC, we don't have it connected. There's no point in you know, driving up the heat by blocking the radiator with that. And so, you know, the compressor's still here, mostly connected. So, thing runs really good. I think it was originally a 2-barrel car, but it's a 4-barrel now. Be nice to get the original, you know, air intake for it at some point, but the aftermarket one looks good. So that's it. This is my winter project that I kept you guys updated on. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.